नमस्कार स्टुडंट्स. सो आज आपण मोशन इन 2D लेक्चर नंबर एक्झरसाइज लेक्चर नंबर 5 स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 पासून आपण स्टार्ट करतो आहे. बघा क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 काय आहे. अ सायक्लिस्ट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम रेस्ट अँड मूव्स विथ ए कॉन्स्टंट ॲक्सेलरेशन ऑफ 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेअर. ॲक्सेलरेशन इज कॉन्स्टंट, दॅट इज 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेअर. स्टार्ट रेस्ट, दॅट इज इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी इज इक्वल टू 0, राईट. A boy who is 48 meter behind the cyclist starts moving with a constant velocity of 10 meter per second. V is equal to 10 meter per second. After how much time the boy meets the cyclist? Time find out करायला सांगितलेलं आहे. बघूया ऑप्शन्स दिलेले आहेत. बघा स्टुडंट, सिनारिओ काय आहे बघा एक्झाम्पलचा. या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये स्टुडंट टाइम विचारलेला आहे. सो स्टुडंट फर्स्ट व्हॉट टोटल डिस्टन्स इज हाऊ मच इज टोटल डिस्टन्स कंप्लीटेड हियर. दिस इज फर्स्ट, इट इज व्हॉट, दॅट इज 48 मीटर अँड दिस डिस्टन्स इज द nothing, it is the suppose consider as a this is A to B, B and B to C distance consider as a small d. And what is the total distance? That is velocity into time. What is the total distance? Velocity into time, that is velocity is 10 t, right. Total distance is nothing but velocity into time, that is 10 t is the total distance, right student. And this 10 t is equal to what student? 48 plus t. First find out this small d. This small d is find out the equation is equal to ut plus half at square, right student. But initial velocity is 0, that is this d is equal to half at square, right. That is this, put this value in this equation, that is 10 t is equal to half at square. Half at 10 t is equal to what student? 48 plus value of d is nothing but what? Half. Value of a is nothing but what student? Acceleration is 1 into t square, that is half t square, right. Student, removing this, हा 2 आपण घालवायचा, multiply 2 in this above equation, that is 20t is equal to 96 plus t square, right. Therefore this will get the quadratic equation, that is t square minus 20t plus 96 is equal to 0. दोन्ही बघा गुणाकार 96 आहे, मधलं चिन्ह निगेटिव्ह आहे. 24 चौक 96 मायनस प्लस टी स्क्वेअर मायनस 24t मायनस 4t प्लस 96 इज इक्वल टू 0. टी गेट कॉमन, t minus 24 minus 4 will get the common. Student, minus 4 will get the common, that is 4, right. That is t minus 24 is equal to 0, that is t minus 24 and t is minus 4 is equal to 0. Students, sorry, so small mistake here. So product is plus 96, right student. Product is plus 96, this is not plus 96, this is the negative, so I am really sorry. So factor is what student? Minus 12 minus 8, right. We'll get the minus 20 and bar t shine of 2, product of two negative numbers is in-type positive, that is t square, that is minus 12t minus 8t plus 96 is equal to 0. We'll get the common is t, that is t minus 12 minus 8, t minus 12 is equal to 0, that is t is equal to 12 and t is equal to 8 seconds. So again we'll get the two options, that is the correct option is, I check it first. Right student, both two options is correct student, both because 12 is also present and 8 is also present, so correct option is option number 4, both 1 and 2. So correct option is option number 4. So complete the question number 26, then I take it the next question. Student, next question. A man is d distance behind the bus when the bus starts accelerating from the rest with acceleration is a0. With what minimum velocity should the man starts running to catch the bus? Students, so this distance is d and this distance is total distance in this journey is equal to d plus s. Right student, baga, a man is distance d behind the bus when bus starts accelerating from the rest with an acceleration a0. With what minimum constant velocity should the man start running to catch the bus? Baga student, काय आहे याच्यामध्ये? So student, what total distance is nothing but the velocity into time. So assume that the velocity is the v naught or vt, consider that is total distance d plus s is equal to distance velocity into time. Right student, velocity in time is nothing but the total distance. So first find out this displacement s. So we will get the acceleration start with rest, that is the initial velocity is equal to 0, that is put the acceleration s is equal to what, ut plus half at square plus u initial velocity is 0, so we will get the half a naught, acceleration is given, that is a naught, s is nothing but what student, half a naught square. Put this value in this expression, that is d plus s is equal to what, half a naught t square is equal to v naught t. Remove these two in this equation, that is what student, 2d plus half a naught t square is equal to 2v naught. In this expression student, we find out the delta, that is b alpha is equal to delta is equal to what, discrement delta is equal to b square minus of 4ac, right, d square minus of 4ac. As compare, that is what, a naught t square minus 2v naught t plus 2d is equal to 0. इथं पण नोट करायचं आहे पहिला. So in this equation the discrement, that is delta, that is b square minus of 4ac is greater than equal to 0. Put the value in this expression. Value of b is nothing but what, value of b is nothing but 2v naught square minus of 4 a, value of a is nothing but student a naught, value of c is nothing but the 2 twice d is greater than equal to 0, that is 4 v naught square minus 8 a naught d is greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. Remove this, find the value of v naught, the divide by 4 in this expression, that is v naught square minus 2 a naught d is greater than equal to 0, that is v naught square is equal to 2 a naught d, that is v naught is equal to 2 a naught d, and this answer is correct match to the what student, option number 3, option number 3, option number 3, that is v naught is equal to root 2 a naught d. स्टुडंट बघा इथं डिस्क्रिमेंट डेल्टा 10वीला झालेला आहे b स्क्वेअर मायनस ऑफ 4ac कंपॅरिझन करून व्हॅल्यू ठेवलेले आहेत, ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू 0 मांडलेलं आहे अँड फाइंड द आन्सर ऑफ 27 क्वेश्चन नंबर. कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन. Student, question number 28. A body A starts from the rest with an acceleration A naught. Acceleration is A naught. After 2s, another body B starts from rest with an acceleration is A2. With an acceleration is A2. If they cover equal distance in 5th second, after the start of A, then the ratio of A1 and A2 is equal to. स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 बघूया आपण. बघा क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 काय आहे. A particle is moving with constant acceleration from A to B in a straight line AB. If u and v are the velocities at A and B, u and velocities at A and B respectively, the velocity of the midpoint of the C will be. बघूया midpoint ची velocity काढायची. बघूया स्टुडंट कशा पद्धतीने करणार आहे. Initial velocity at A to B and midpoint considered as C. Initial u, final is v. Consider student, बघा consider the midpoint velocity of the midpoint is the v dash. Student जे काय कायनॅमेटिक इक्वेशन आहेत, yes, what first what v is equal to u plus et, second is what s is equal to ut plus half et square, and third is what v square is equal to u square plus 2s. याचा यूज करणार आहोत. साधारण एकच यूज करावा लागणार आहे. आता दिस इज इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, ही दिस इज फायनल वेलोसिटी. फायनल वेलोसिटी स्टुडंट आपण इक्वेशन कसं काढू शकतो. दिस इज व्हॉट v dash square is equal to what v square is equal to u square plus twice is. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u square plus twice as. सेकंड ह्याच्यासाठी फायनल इज व्हॉट स्टुडंट v square. This v square is equal to initial is what initial velocity is what this v. ह्याच्यासाठी मी आता इक्वेशन b to c साठी यूज करतोय. दिस v square is equal to v dash square plus twice of as, because acceleration is same, right? But we know that the student v square is equal to v dash square as it is here, plus this twice as in this expression. Twice as means what v dash square minus of u square. Put this value in this expression. 2as is nothing but what student v dash square minus of u square. Then this v square is equal to 2 times of v dash square minus of u square, right student? They will get the value of 2 v dash square is equal to v square plus u square. This is the v dash square is equal to v square plus u square upon 2, right student? Then value will get the v dash is equal to, because v dash is the velocity of the midpoint, that is equal to v square plus u square divided by 2, and this answer is correct match to the option number student what, that is the 4, option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct option number 4, that is v dash is equal to v square plus u square divided by 2. Complete question number 29. स्टूडेंट बघूया स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 काय आहे. स्टूडेंट बघूया क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 काय आहे. अ कार accelerates from a rest at a constant rate of alpha for some time, after which it deaccelerates at constant rate beta to come to rest. If the total time elapsed is t, then the maximum velocity is attained is. Student बघा time, that is displacement versus time as graph असणार आहे हा, right? Acceleration. Student बघा इनिशियल व्हॉट इथून जाताना इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 आहे, कॉन्स्टंट रेट अल्फा असणार आहे, आणि दिस टाइम इज द टेकन ॲज अ t1. इथून हायेस्ट पॉईंटला गेल्यानंतर हा काय होणार आहे, डिॲक्सिलेट चालू होणार आहे लक्षात. आणि हे दिस इथं पण येण्यासाठी दिस टाइम इज t2. आपल्याला टोटल टाइम t फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, दॅट इज टोटल टाइम t इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट t1 प्लस t2. स्टुडंट हे व्हॅल्यू ऑफ t1 प्लस t1 आणि t2 फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. बघूया स्टुडंट. फर्स्ट operate the first kinematic equation student in this both journey, that is which is the first kinematic equation, that is v is equal to u plus at acceleration in this first sati alpha, second sati beta. So student in this case first, that is v is equal to initial velocity in this first case, that is a 0, right? Initial velocity is 0, acceleration is alpha, and this is alpha t, टाइम इज t1 स्टुडंट, कन्सिडर टाइम इज t1 स्टुडंट. साईन महत्त्वाचं आहे या ठिकाणी स्टुडंट. बघा थीटा इज लेस दॅन 90 डिग्री, देन व्हॉट velocity is positive, this velocity is and this is also acceleration is also positive, right? In the second journey student, what this angle is a obtuse angle. Initial velocity student in this term is the 0, final velocity is the student what in this journey is the v minus of, because in the angle is what student negative, angle is negative, so acceleration is the negative. In this angle is what slope is negative, acceleration is negative, right? And that is acceleration is what minus of beta t2. So this v is equal to beta t2. We will get the value of t1 and t2. t1 is equal to v upon alpha and t2 is equal to v upon beta. So t is equal to t1 plus t2, that is t is equal to v divided by alpha plus v divided by beta, that is equal to v beta divided by alpha alpha beta plus v beta alpha divided by alpha beta, that is alpha into beta, v is common, alpha plus beta. The total time t is equal to, and this option is correct match to the just 1 minute. स्टुडंट ऑप्शन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ velocity टाइम दिलेला आहे, म्हणजे velocity फाइंड आउट करायचा, राईट? v इज इक्वल टू अल्फा बीटा टी, and this is what alpha divided by beta. This answer is correct, my alpha beta t divided by alpha plus beta, that is option number 1. Option number 1 is correct. Option number 1, which is option number 1? That is alpha beta t divided by alpha plus beta. So complete the question number 30. स्टुडंट बघा क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 काय आहे. इन द प्रिव्हियस क्वेश्चन द टोटल डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल इज, टोटल डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल काढायचं आपल्याला. स्टुडंट बघा टोटल डिस्टन्स आपण कशा पद्धतीने फाइंड आउट करू शकतो, दॅट इज s1 अपॉन s1 प्लस s2, राईट? इन दिस फर्स्ट टर्म that is use the third kinematical equation, that is v square, initial velocity in the first term, first interval, that is 0, that is plus v square is equal to u square plus 2 alpha 2as, acceleration is alpha and distance is s1, that is v square is equal to 2 alpha s1. We will get the value of distance is s1, that is v square upon twice alpha, right student? Use the this expression in the second term, that is in the second term, that is initial, final is 0, right student? Final is 0, right? That is 0 is because it is at rest, 0 is equal to what? V square minus, because in this journey that is acceleration is retardation is take place, that is minus 2 beta s2, that is what 2 beta s2 is equal to v square, that is s2 is equal to v square divided by twice beta. So total distance s is equal to s1 plus s2, value of s1 is equal to what? V square twice of alpha, s2 is equal to v square twice of beta, right student? V square upon 2 is the common, v square upon 2 is the common, that is 1 upon alpha plus 1 divided by beta, that is v square upon 2, that is equal to beta divided by alpha beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta, right? This total distance s is equal to v square upon these 2, that is alpha divided by beta into beta plus alpha, from alpha plus beta. This answer is correct match to the इक्वेशन में कोई v नहीं दिख रहा है तो पुट आउट द व्हॅल्यू इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन. मागच्या इक्वेशन व्हॅल्यू ऑफ v ची जी फाइंड आउट केलेली ती आपण ठेवूया. स्टुडंट चेक करा इक्वेशनमध्ये कुठं व्हीची टर्म दिसत नाही म्हणून व्हीचं जे फायनल आन्सर आपण मगाशी काढलेलं आहे ते पुट आउट करूया. हे थोडंसं मी रिमूव्ह करतो, तुम्ही नोट डाऊन केलेलं असेलच बघा. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ व्ही इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट स्टुडंट, this s is equal to v square, that is v square is equal to what, alpha square beta square t square divided by what, bracket alpha plus beta bracket square, because this is numerator term, right. 2 as it is, 2 is the as it is into beta plus alpha divided by alpha into beta. This square and this term total student get cancel, right. This square and this alpha get cancel, beta bit cancel, that is s is equal to what student, alpha beta t square, alpha beta 2 square divided by 2 alpha plus beta, and this answer is correct match to the option number student what 2, option number 2, option number 2. This is what, alpha beta t square divided by 2 into alpha plus beta, right. So complete the question number 31. I take it the next question. स्टूडेंट बघूया क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. स्टूडेंट बघा क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 का है. द इंजन ऑफ ए मोटरसाइकिल कैन प्रोड्यूस ए मैक्सिमम एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ 5 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेयर, 5 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेयर. इट ब्रेक्स कैन प्रोड्यूस ए मैक्सिमम रिटार्डेशन ऑफ 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेयर, 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेयर. What is the minimum time in which the motorcycle can cover a distance of 1.5 km? S is equal to 1.5 km, that is S is equal to 1500 meter. Then find the total time t. So student बघा टोटल टाइम फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. स्टुडंट्स आता प्रिव्हियस एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपण टोटल डिस्टन्ससाठी फॉर्म्युला काढला होता का, एस इज इक्वल टू अल्फा बीटा टी स्क्वेअर डिवाइड बाय 2 अल्फा बीटा. स्टुडंट म्हणून मी ॲक्सलरेशन पॉझिटिव्ह आहे त्याला ए आणि रिटार्डेशनला बी मांडलेला, बी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ बी इज द निगेटिव्ह, एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. सो टी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू वॉट, 2 अल्फा बीटा इंटू एस डिवाइडेड बाय अल्फा इंटू बीटा. टी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 2. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ अल्फा इज नथिंग मोर स्टुडंट 5. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ बीटा इज इक्वल टू मायनस ऑफ 10 into s is equal to 1500. Alpha value of alpha is equal to 5, value of beta is equal to minus 10. T square is equal to student, this is direct 300. This is what student, 10 minus 20, 10, this is the 10 minus 20. 10 minus 20 is nothing but what student, minus 10 into 300 divided by minus 10, that is minus gets cancelled student. That t square is equal to 300, that t is equal to 30 seconds. This is the answer and this answer is correct match to the option number 1, option number 1, that is a 30 सेकंद. प्रिव्हियसचा यूज केलेला आहे. जास्त आणि जर्नी करण्यापेक्षा आपण एक फॉर्म्युला तयार होते. जर टाइम T1 T2 ॲक्सलरेशन रिटार्डेशन आणि ॲक्सलरेशन दिलं असेल तर फायनल डिस्टन्स काय, टोटल डिस्टन्स एस इज इक्वल टू अल्फा बीटा टी स्क्वेअर डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू अल्फा बीटा, याच्यावरून आपण टाइम देखील फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. ठीक आहे. क्वेश्चन लेक्चर नंबर 5 मध्ये आपण 32 पर्यंतचे क्वेश्चन घेतलेले आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये घेणार आहोत.